Want more lemons from your tree? Try bananas. It sounds strange, but bananas can help your lemon tree grow big and strong. Bananas have something special that lemon trees love: potassium. Potassium is a nutrient that helps plants grow. Think of it like a vitamin for your lemon tree. When you give your lemon tree potassium, it's like giving it a super boost. In this guide, we'll explore how to use bananas to help your lemon tree thrive. Get ready for more lemons than you can handle. Let's talk more about potassium. Why is it so important for lemon trees? Potassium helps lemon trees in many ways. It helps them grow strong roots. Strong roots mean a strong tree that can withstand wind and weather. Potassium also helps lemon trees fight off diseases. It acts like a protector, keeping the tree healthy. And guess what? Potassium helps lemon trees produce more fruit. That means more juicy lemons for your lemonade and recipes. How exactly does potassium work its magic on lemon trees? Let's break it down. Potassium helps lemon trees use water better. It's like giving your tree a bigger water bottle to stay hydrated. This is especially helpful in hot weather. Potassium also helps lemon trees make food from sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. With enough potassium, your lemon tree can efficiently turn sunlight into energy for growth and fruit production. It's like giving your tree a solar panel for maximum energy. Now that you know why potassium is essential, let's talk about how to give it to your lemon tree using bananas. The easiest way is to use banana peels. Start by collecting your banana peels. Don't throw them away. They are treasure for your garden. Chop the peels into small pieces. This helps them break down faster in the soil. Next, bury the chopped banana peels around your lemon tree. Make sure to bury them a few inches deep so they don't attract pests. As the peels decompose, they release potassium and other nutrients directly to your lemon tree's roots. If you want a faster way to deliver potassium to your lemon tree, try banana peel tea. This method is not only efficient, but also eco-friendly, making use of kitchen scraps that would otherwise end up in the trash. It's easy to make and provides a quick nutrient boost. Potassium is essential for the overall health of your lemon tree, aiding in the development of strong roots and vibrant fruits. Fill a large jar or bucket with water. Make sure to use clean, fresh water to avoid introducing any contaminants to your plants. Add a few banana peels to the water. You can use peels from 2 to 3 bananas, depending on the size of your jar or bucket. Let the peels soak for a few days. Place the jar on a sunny windowsill to speed up the nutrient extraction process. This allows the potassium and other nutrients to leach into the water. The longer you let it sit, the more nutrients will be extracted, creating a richer tea for your plants. After a few days, your banana peel tea is ready. You'll notice the water has taken on a slightly brownish color, indicating that the nutrients have been successfully extracted. Strain the tea to remove the peels. You can use a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to ensure no solid pieces remain. Use the tea to water your lemon tree. Pour it directly at the base of the tree, ensuring the roots can absorb the nutrients effectively. Your lemon tree will thank you for this nutritious drink. With regular use, you'll notice stronger growth, healthier leaves, and more abundant fruit production. Bananas are not just a delicious and nutritious fruit for us, but they can also be incredibly beneficial for your garden. Let's explore some creative and effective ways to use bananas and their peels to enhance your gardening experience. Here are some extra tips for using bananas in your garden. Don't go overboard. While banana peels are rich in nutrients like potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, which are great for plant growth, moderation is key. Too much of a good thing can be harmful. Overloading your soil with banana peels can lead to an imbalance of nutrients and potentially attract unwanted pests. It's important to find the right balance. Start with a few banana peels per month and see how your lemon tree responds. Observe the changes in the tree's health and fruit production. If you notice positive results, you can gradually increase the amount. You can also use banana peels as a natural pest repellent. Simply place the peels around the base of your plants or bury them slightly in the soil. Some gardeners believe that the scent of banana peels deters aphids and other pesky insects. This can be a great chemical-free way to protect your plants from damage. Remember, using banana peels in your garden is a natural and gradual process. It takes time for the peels to decompose and release their nutrients into the soil. Be patient and consistent, and you will see the results in your lemon tree's health and fruit production. With regular use, your garden will thrive, and you'll enjoy the benefits of a more sustainable and eco-friendly gardening practice. Some people worry that using banana peels in the garden will attract pests. However, if you bury the peels a few inches deep and don't overdo it, pests shouldn't be a problem. Others wonder if banana peels will make their garden smell bad. Rest assured, decomposing banana peels don't have a strong odor, especially when buried in the soil. Using banana peels in your garden is a safe and natural way to boost your lemon tree's growth. Don't be afraid to give it a try. Adding banana peels to your gardening routine is a simple yet effective way to provide your lemon tree with a potassium boost. This natural and inexpensive method can lead to healthier trees, more vibrant blooms, and a more bountiful harvest of juicy lemons. So the next time you enjoy a banana, remember its peel holds the secret to a happier, healthier lemon tree. Don't let it go to waste. Give your lemon tree the gift of potassium and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Why does this simple trick work so well? It's all thanks to the science of decomposition. As banana peels break down in the soil, they release their stored nutrients, including potassium, into a form readily available to your lemon tree's roots. This natural process mimics the nutrient cycling found in healthy ecosystems. Furthermore, the decomposing peels improve soil structure, enhancing drainage and aeration, crucial factors for healthy root development. This means your lemon tree can access water and nutrients more efficiently, leading to robust growth and higher fruit yield. Bananas are not the only kitchen hero when it comes to nourishing your garden. While banana peels are well known for their potassium content, which helps plants grow strong and healthy, there are many other kitchen scraps that can be just as beneficial. Many other fruit and vegetable scraps can be composted or directly added to your garden beds to provide valuable nutrients. For instance, apple cores, carrot tops, and potato peels can all be composted to enrich your soil. These scraps break down over time, releasing essential nutrients that help your plants flourish. Eggshells, rich in calcium, can help prevent blossom end rot in tomatoes and peppers. This common problem can be mitigated by simply crushing eggshells and sprinkling them around the base of your plants. The calcium from the eggshells strengthens the cell walls of the plants, leading to healthier growth and more robust fruits. Coffee grounds, a good source of nitrogen, can be added sparingly to acid-loving plants like blueberries and azaleas. Nitrogen is a crucial nutrient for plant growth, and coffee grounds can help improve soil structure and drainage. However, it's important to use them in moderation to avoid over-acidifying the soil. Remember to chop larger scraps into smaller pieces to speed up decomposition and avoid attracting pests. Smaller pieces break down more quickly, making it easier for microorganisms to do their job. This not only accelerates the composting process, but also helps keep your garden tidy and pest-free. By repurposing kitchen waste, you're not only reducing landfill waste, but also creating a healthier environment for your plants to thrive. Composting kitchen scraps is an eco-friendly practice that turns waste into valuable resources. Your garden will benefit from the added nutrients, leading to more vibrant and productive plants. Plus, you'll be doing your part to reduce your carbon footprint and promote sustainability in your gardening practices. Gardening is a rewarding endeavor, connecting us to the natural world and providing fresh, flavorful food for our tables. By integrating simple, sustainable practices like using banana peels in your garden, you're nurturing both your plants and the environment. So, embrace the joy of gardening, experiment with these natural methods, and savor the satisfaction of harvesting delicious, homegrown lemons. A testament to your care and the power of nature's simple solutions.